Hey there, welcome to another Pastor Blogs tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in this tutorial we are going to look at some of the site administration settings that you might want to tweak as you're taking your site live. And so to access those, we're going to click from our dashboard right here. We're going to go over to Site Settings, and we're going to click on Site Admin. This is going to bring up some of the site administration stuff that you have for this website. The first thing is the site title. You chose this when you set up your Pastor Blog. The second is the tagline. Its default is just another Pastor Blog site. You can change this to whatever you want. Since I'm on Church Tools, we're going to say tools that help church leaders. And this will be the tagline that gets shared. The email address, you signed up with this. This is your admin email address. You can change this to whatever email address you need. This is also by default the email address that when people sign like a contact form or a speaking invitation, it'll go out to this email address. The site language, English, time zone. By default, it is set to New York. I am on the Eastern time, and many of you are on Eastern time as well. And you can select the -6, -5, whatever, for it to be the right time. But that means that daylight savings time will mess you up, especially for like events and stuff like that. It won't recognize the time zone because not all the world does daylight savings time like we do. And so what I recommend is selecting a city that is in your time zone, a bigger city, like Chicago's in here. Los Angeles is in here, things like that. You'll be able to find a city in your time zone, and that will make sure that your site is using the same time zone as that city. The date format, time format, these are all just nuance for whatever you want it to be. I prefer the capital PM, for example. So that's just something that I prefer. And date as well. I like it written out just like that. And so these are just really simple site admin settings, and we're going to go ahead and click Save Changes, and that's going to update what we see on the front end as far as the site title, the tagline, and it updates the back end, such as our admin email and our little preferences for the date and time. Simple as that. Hope you are able to update those things as needed. And again, if you have any questions, be sure to fill out our support form in the feedback area right here. You can give us feedback, and you can also report bugs or issues that you have. Thank you, guys.